Paul Edwards was born in Vienna in the year 1923. He belonged to a Jewish family that lived without religious practice. He grew up in a home that valued learning and clear thinking. He attended a serious school in Vienna where he studied languages and classical subjects. He developed a strong interest in clarity and disciplined thought. In the year 1938, Germany took control of Austria. The situation became dangerous for Jewish families. His family fled the country to escape persecution. They traveled through the United Kingdom before settling in Melbourne, Australia. He adopted the name Edwards upon arriving in Australia, changing it from his original surname Eisenstein. He studied philosophy at the University of Melbourne. He completed a Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy. He completed a Master of Arts in Philosophy. He graduated with distinction and earned scholarships. He prepared himself for a life devoted to thinking and study. In the year 1947 he received a scholarship intended for study at Cambridge University in England. He began his journey toward England. On the way he stopped in New York. New York changed his plans. He decided to stay there. New York became his permanent home. He joined Columbia University as a graduate student. He completed his doctoral studies in philosophy. He received his PhD in the year 1951. During his doctoral work he contacted the philosopher Bertrand Russell. He admired Russell's skepticism toward religious belief. He shared this skepticism. Their contact led to a lasting intellectual friendship. He collected Russell's writings on religion. He edited these writings into a book titled Why I Am Not a Christian. This book gathered Russell's essays on religion in one place. He added an appendix explaining the Bertrand Russell case at the City College of New York. He supported free thought. He supported secular criticism. He supported clear rational argument. Paul Edwards began a long teaching career in New York. He taught at New York University. He taught at Brooklyn College. He taught at the New School for Social Research. He taught analytic philosophy. He taught moral philosophy. He taught with precision and clarity. He respected science and common sense. He influenced many generations of students. He served as the editor-in-chief of the Encyclopedia of Philosophy, which was published in 1967. This encyclopedia was published by Macmillan. It was an 8-volume reference work. It contained many detailed entries written by scholars from different universities. It became an important reference in modern philosophy education. It showed a strong analytic sensibility. It aimed at clarity and careful argument. He co-edited a book titled A Modern Introduction to Philosophy with Arthur Papp. This book became widely used in classrooms. It helped train new generations of students in analytic methods. Paul Edwards wrote on many topics. He wrote about moral discourse. He wrote about determinism. He wrote about induction. He wrote about the meaning of life. He wrote about the existence of God. He wrote about reincarnation. He wrote about immortality. He wrote about logical positivism. He wrote about atheism. He wrote about the value of life. His writing style was clear and direct. He edited a book titled Immortality. He edited Voltaire's selections. He contributed entries to the Encyclopedia of Unbelief. He contributed entries to the Encyclopedia of Ethics. He signed the Humanist Manifesto too in 1973. He defended humanism. He defended secular ethics. He defended rational morality. He argued that philosophy must stay connected to real human problems. He rejected superstition. He rejected dogma. He rejected vague language. He received recognition for his work. He was awarded a Guggenheim Research Fellowship for the year 1964 to 1965. His first professional article appeared in 1949. His last book appeared shortly before his death. Paul Edwards lived most of his adult life in New York. He continued to lecture at the New School until 1999. He remained active in philosophy into old age. He died in New York City in December 2004. He was 81 years old. He left behind books. He left behind essays. He left behind students. He left behind a strong influence on moral philosophy and secular thought. Today he is remembered as an Austrian-born American philosopher. He is remembered as the editor-in-chief of the Encyclopedia of Philosophy. He is remembered as the co-editor of A Modern Introduction to Philosophy. He is remembered as a defender of humanism and atheism. He is remembered as a critic of unclear and pretentious writing. His work continues to be read by students and scholars. His ideas continue to influence modern secular thought.